What are the most highly paid IT skills for the future? Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML expertise in developing and deploying AI and ML algorithms. Cybersecurity, skills in protecting systems and networks from cyber threats. Cloud computing, proficiency in cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Data science and analytics, ability to analyze and interpret large datasets to provide actionable insights. Blockchain, knowledge of blockchain technology and its applications in various industries. DevOps, experience with continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, and automation tools. Internet of Things, IoT skills in designing and managing IoT devices and networks. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR development and implementation of AR and VR applications. Full stack development, comprehensive knowledge of both front-end and back-end development.
Visit our website, intelligencegateway.com.